in America, it's different to Aotearoa. Over there, when you have like their parliament or their executive, so Donald Trump, making orders, like that can be challenged in court. So their constitution means that you can measure anything that they do against that constitution, and if it's illegal, like the law's literally sort of scrubbed out.
We want a list of those foreign students, and we'll find out whether or not they're okay. Many will be okay, I assume, and I assume with Harvard, many will be bad. And then the other thing is they're very anti-Semitic. Everybody knows they're anti-Semitic.
Tino aroha atu au ki e ramo mo tangata, like they're stuck in limbo and not really knowing what to do and how it impacts them, and I'm sure that's very stressful for them. You know, he'll be I assume partway through his educational journey, not knowing whether he'll be expelled from the country because of it, and it must be tough.